Hi, Jessica Wade here with YWAIT Agency. Today's video, we are going to be showing you how to add what we call snippets into your CRM so that you can quickly and effectively send messages to clients without having to type out the message every single time. So snippets are great for like quick emails or quick text messages that have the same message that you tend to see yourself resending over and over again. So let's go ahead and dive in here. So if you're not already a client of YWAIT, click on the link below. You can get signed up and we can get you set up with your own custom CRM. But what we'll do here to add a snippet is you are going to come into your CRM and you will click on marketing. From here, you will see snippets up at the top here and then you will click on add snippet. Now you can choose a text snippet or an email. So we'll show examples for both. So we'll go ahead and click on text snippet. And let's say you are consistently replying back after a meeting. Thank you for connecting with me, and I look forward to seeing you in our next meeting. So you can just title this the thank you message, whatever you want to title it here, and then just say, it was a pleasure meeting with you. Looking forward to our next meeting. And then we have these little custom fields in here where you can be able to plug in your username or contact information. So in this case, I'm the users and I want it to be entered with my name, but I don't want to be typing it and I want it to be organic. So if there are other users, this is a universal snippet that can be used. So from here, we'll go ahead and click on save. And then we will see, I have a big list of snippets here, but you can go ahead and search by the title and you'll see your snippet message was here. Let's also show you how to do an email snippet and then I will show you how to execute them. So we'll do the same thing. Thank you message. Okay. And it was great meeting. Until next time. Again, whatever your greeting message here is up to you. Obviously, spelling matters, so make sure you check that. So you can say hello. Again, we're going to use one of those custom fields. We're going to choose the contact's full name or first name. For emails, I like first name. It was a pleasure meeting today. Looking forward to our next meeting. Hope you have a great day. And then here, your user will have a predisposed signature. So all you have to do is go to user and then choose signature, and it will automatically do that signature for you. And then you can send a test to yourself and go ahead and click on save for it to be live. Now, same thing here. If we research for that thank you, we will now see two snippets in here. We'll see the thank you message that's via text, and then we'll see thank you message. Actually, let me just fix the name of that. We'll click on edit snippet and you can edit the name of it right there. Okay. Now let's go ahead and show you how to use these snippets. We'll go into a contact and we'll choose a template contact here. Let's go ahead and just go here. Now, when you're ready to send the message to the client, you will go ahead and see where it says SMS and it. All right. You'll have SMS. You'll also have text message. Now I have my window hidden here, so let me move this icon. So we'll just go to SMS first to do the snippet. You'll click on this little paper here. It says insert snippet. And then all you got to do is type for the snippet of your choice, whatever the title is, and it automatically types it out and you hit send. You also can do an email snippet, same way. You'll come down here, choose insert snippet and search for the title of that snippet and it automatically creates it. Now, when you hit send, you'll see here the text message shows up in this box here. And then here is the predisposed template that already has the client's name in there with my predisposed signature as the user. And that's how you use snippets. So enjoy your CRM and exploration. As always, if you have additional questions or support, you are welcome to click on your little live chat icon here within your YWAIT system. And you can have a knowledge base. You can have live chat with a representative. It is 24/7. So please reach out to us if you have any questions or need any help. And then until our next video, I hope you enjoy your CRM. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and visit YWAITagency.com. We're here to help you automate your brand from chaos to cash.